on our discussion. So your views are very, our discussion is recorded and will be posted on our group page. So as I discussed or as I've said for the past few weeks, our next discussion is pursuit of. Can you see my presentation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So our discussion is pursuit of convenience and diversity. We will end up this after 10 minutes. So it is very simple naman. So pursuit of convenience and diversity. So it means, from the title itself, pursue means doing what you want or in your own convenience. So ginagawa mo kung ano yung gusto mo or at your own. Yes, so parang simple lang sa'yo. So with this discussion, learning outcome, think about the effects today's diverse society has on daily life. So what is diverse? So then understand that life does not go as planned. So everything in life is not planned. So we are not planning, we are not living with life na everything is planned. No one planned for the negative things or yung ano yung mangyayari na masama. Everyone planned for positive outlook or positive outcome. So, easy. So, convenience. As the SAR have grown along with the development of economies, today's society has become diverse and complex. Through this, heart loss, laxity, and the time to think or have conversation is being lost. So, what does it mean? How about Luella? As desires have grown along with the development of the economy, today's society has become diverse. Desire. BA. I know you are BA students. So, how are you going to interpret the data? First, define what is diverse. Then second, connect mo na yung desires. So, are you going to connect? See diverse and see desire. Especially yes, DA. I just give me one word. Yung one word lang. So let's try to go back. Desires have grown along with the development of economies. Today's societies has become diverse. So, ano ba yung diverse? Try to take a look with your
differing from one another.
different from one another. Another one.
Like, for example, ma'am, we have equalities that we have, but others don't have.
Don't have. Okay, so don't have. So ano pa?
Our interest, ma'am, to other, for example, I am interest to, let's take, for example, our culture. Okay. So, our culture, we have a different, culture, let's say, cultural diversity. So, we have different cultures. So, of course, in that culture, murag makaingon tabang ba na, like, unsaon nato pag-accept ana, like how are we going to learn that culture. So of course, for example, I am a Muslim, and exactly, I am a Muslim, and we Muslim have a different culture, and you as a Christian, like for example Shinel, if she is a Christian, napud siya lain na culture. So in that society, in our society, our desire, like, murag maglisod mi kung unsaon mo pag-accept sa amuhang lain-lain na culture.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so that is one of the examples. Okay, thank you, Pastera. But to give you another example is desires is yung kagustuhan ng tao. When we say diverse, a variety. So it means another group of people. So ito yung best example, yung meron ba mga K-pop dito? Ah, mga yung meron tayong iniidolos, idolizing artists. So parang
Um,
doon,
yes,
so
ma'am.
so parang doon papasok yung desires. You don't know yourself anymore because you are trying to portray another person. Tama ba?
Yes,
Has
ma'am.
grown along with the development of economies today's society. So it
Mm-mm.
means you are just following kung ano yung nakikita mo. So example, yung sa Korean, maraming K-pop, so we wear as an K-pop, di ba? Dito sa Pilipinas, kung ano yung trend sa ibang bansa, so ginagaya natin. So parang we lack our own kung ano ba talaga yung brand natin as ourselves. So nagkakaroon ng complicated issues between and ourselves na parang sinusunod na natin yung iba. So through this, the heart lost laxity and the time to think or have conversation is being lost. Laxity and time to think. So ano ba yung ibig sabihin? Bakit nalalost siya when we talk diverse? So, time to think is yung trend. So, sa atin, kapag trending siya, so automatic, we follow para makasunod tayo. Because kapag hindi tayo nakasabay sa utos, parang in our side, sinasabihan na to, nasabi siya, oy, parang makalumang Pilipino. So, we don't ko na, kailangan ba dyan ako musunod sa trend or not? Then, a conversation is being lost. Through diverse and complex, so it means diverse. So, through yung mga traditional na natin, so we adopt the another culture. So, yung mga technology. So, through the technology, we use gadgets. So, we feel na we're better just because we have a gadget. So, through gadget, we can communicate gadget to person to gadget. Hindi na sa yung tao sa tao. So, meron na yung constant change because of the diversity of our society or with our culture. The next is why do we have the problems that we do in this world? Why? Bakit meron tayong mga problema in this world? Simply because we are human. But what are the reasons bakit meron tayong problema? In
Para
yourself, yes?
para para mag-grow ta, ma'am.
Yes, in order for us to grow. But another reason, have you tried na kuan yung problema mo is actually walang problema but you are making a problem. Like for example, hello, mahadlok man ko mo report and everything, but you did everything. Gibuhat na nimo siya, you prepare everything, but you are creating something problem. Hala, dili na ko kaya. So you are the one who caused the problem na ipangitaan nimo problema even kaya nimo siya. So, parang small things, nagiging cause na siya ng problem. So, for example, sa online class na to or with sa mga modular students, one of the problem is no access sa school, no access just because sa pamasahe and everything. So, yung problem is wala siyang pamasahe. So, if you're trying to connect sa when we go back to the time na wala pang pandemic, so every day we go to school. So parang naging minimal na lang yung pagpunta natin dito sa school due to pandemic. So mas nakalas ka ng money for fare, but if you're trying to sa some students, they are questioning with yung ma'am, wala na may pamasahe just because layo and everything. So, there's a lot of alibi. But when you try to scroll sa ilang Facebook or to stalk on Facebook is ang uban nagalaglaag na, naga-coffee, naga-milk tea. So, they have a lot of time para to spend money beyond sa kung anong man yung dapat unahin. So, we're not trying to say na lahat, but meron talaga most of the student na Ma'am, eto hindi ako makapunta just because I don't have money. But if you try, they go beyond kung ano yung mga prioritize or yung naging needs nila. Next one is, so what did you see? You see a brand of shoes, a different kind of shoes, and the same time with milk tea. So eto, people have a lot of different pair of shoes and clothes. Have you noticed kahit ang dami nyo ng shoes, pero isa lang yung sinusuot nyo? And
Yes,
then,
ma'am.
Yes,
what was
ma'am.
the problem?
Because it is my, ano ma'am, kagustuhan ko na isuot ko yun no, kasi maganda.
It is yours. So, have you ever questioned yourself na kailangan ba na ko ni?
Sometimes, yes.
Sometimes
Sometimes also,
yes,
yes, ma'am.
sometimes no. And now, what have you noticed for the following day?
Can you repeat the question, ma'am?
What have you noticed when buying your wants after the following day? Ano yung na-notice mo right after buying that shoes? So, in the following day,
Um, of course, ma'am, if I have a new shoes, syempre, murag, makahuna-huna pod ko na, auto na lang po na kuning bago, then iset aside na lang po na kuning daan ako kay daan naman. So, maybe maka-conclude ko na magsuoto na po na ako ni siya always. Then if ever na ay time, if ever mahugaw siya, laban na kuning bago, then suoto na ko tong daan. Inga na lang
okay?
kasimpon.
Good for you. So, ikikip muna natin yung question. It will be answered by the following slides. The other one, even when it comes to coffee, there are all kinds of brands depending on the origin of the beans and the way of the coffee extracted. So, the best example is the milk tea. Di ba yung milk tea, pumunta ka dun sa kabilang branches, same tea pa rin. When you go to another branches, same tea pa rin. Tama? So we are not buying for the tea anymore, but we are buying for the branches itself. So we are trying to something prove that ourselves, ay, we can, kaya na mo ni siya, kaya naman siya, ana-ana. But, we'll try to dig, hindi naman natin kailangan ng tea in order for us to live or survive. But because of diversity or with our society, parang nagiging trend na siya at nagiging parang culture na siya, oy, kailangan ko mag-tea para makasabay sa kung ano man yung mga
Uso.
trending ngayon. But if you have money naman, well, you can spend with the tea. You can spend with the shoes. But have you ever have you ever think twice the both side, 'di ba? When you say when you love, you think both negative and positive, tama?
Yes, ma'am.
But when you love, always positive. No one look for
Mm-mm.
negative. It
Yes.
might be negative. Siguro katong nakuha na siya, naka-learn na siya. But when someone is always positive, tama? No one
Yes.
think, kalabiyaan ko ni niya. Lawin, sa man siya. Di ba tama? Positive.
Mm-mm.
We're very positive. Filipino, we are very positive. My God, kaslun na dyan yan. Siya na dyan. Sure na dyan sa sarili nga kaslun mo. Nagtigom na kag piso everyday. Para pang pakasal. Para pang palit og kuan. Tama? No one ever think unsa ang negative side. Especially this pandemic. Nabay gidahom sa tuang kamayong anita. Di ba wala?
No, no
Wala,
one.
ma'am.
No one. So, no one, but there are a lot of Filipino, especially business-minded individuals, had already prepared for this. On what way nakaprepare sila? Yes, BA
Nag,
students?
nagplano sila, of course, ma'am. Alternative ways on how to handle their businesses, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, we'll answer that later. Next one, but it doesn't end there. So, dili lang ta sa any kinds of shoes, any kinds of tea or coffee. But we become or we became picky with the brands of clothes, foods. Well, anyway, when we say clothes, we can buy sa mga ukay-ukay with 10 pesos, 5 pesos, but we tend to buy with yung merong mga brands like Levi's, ano pa yung mga brand? I'm not familiar with the brand.
Pen shop, oxygen,
Oxygen,
brigata,
pen shop.
gano'n.
Tigwang na ba jud ko? Hindi na
Wala
ako
ma'am, ayaw
familiar
ma'am.
with oxygen and pen shop. So, kaya the brand of clothes, with the foods, nagiging pecky tayo. But, if you'll try to dig, we can rest naman without the clothes. So, it is the what they call this, satisfying ourselves because or giving ourselves a reward because of the hard work, but somehow nagiging babalik na naman tayo sa diversity because of the diversity again. Why? Society. So, trends na naman, ito naman yung trend. Ito naman yung trendy. Kung noon yung mga uso is me, but sa ngayon is nagiging oxygen. Yung, alam mo yung nasa Gmall, kumbaga. So, nagiging peki tayo. But, we don't think kung ano yung another side na naman. So, sige lagi kag ingon mo, sa lang another side na naman. So, you will know. So, why? Why we become picky or why we become unsatisfied with the things na yung mura lang or it's called cheap. Why? Because of diverse or diversity again. So, because of the culture, yung pabago-bago yung kung ano yung mga trendy, we tend to adapt with the one. But have you noticed sa mga some of the Filipino like sa bukid, sa mga badyaw, they are contented with the things that they have. They are still happy. Nakikita na mo ba mo badyaw nga happy?
Ma'am?
Have you ever seen dali lang ha, sa Turing, lang sa Tamugo sa kuan, sa another one. Anang badyaw nga, ayang sanina is branded tanan. Wala akong makita ha. I don't know, in your, by your own, have you ever seen?
Wala pa ma'am, but nadunggan ako sa ako ang family side ma'am na nado siya nakit-an nga badyaw, nangayo siya. For example, mangayo man jud ng mga badyaw 'no, for example
Yes.
mga coins, then tingala siya sa school man daw 'to, natingala siya ma'am ba na nganong nangayo pa man siya na mas gwapo pa siya suot sa ako, ah. So nakatawa na po siya, nakatawa po siya.
Mhm. Okay. Ang uban is, ang ilang, unsa na silang ngipon is gold, tama?
Yes ma'am.
Mm. Okay. So, unsa kay reason nga nagibuhat ko sa mga badyaw? Have they ever,
May
yes?
maybe ma'am siguro nakita nila 'to sa isa ka tao. Okay, let's go back again sa akong naingon kaganina. Siguro na gisuot to niya kay tungod na siya nakit-an or desire jud to niya na suoton to nga butang kay tungod nasundog niya to. Mao tong giingon nato na trend, 'di ba? Kanang
Yes.
mura gani makisabay ta. Ngano dai kung badyaw ta dili ta makasuot ani sumurag ang ilahang gi-conclude ato na magsuot puday ko ani kay gwapo man dinhi sa pananaw sa lain tao. Murag ana ba?
Yes, tama. So, sunod na naman sila sa trends and kung ano yung kwan with our society. But, it is hard for us to conclude kay since wala man tayong mga studies regarding sila why they wear that. So, kailangan na to proven or evidence nga why they still wear or nga nung kuan man sila. And the question is, can they afford? Mutuo ba mo kwartahan ng badyaw?
Ako ma'am, sa tinuod lang dili ko moingon na walay kwarta. I cannot judge someone person even though sa ilahang race, ilahang culture, dili ko maka-judge. Because wala ta kabalo sa ilahang background.
Okay. So, we don't know sa ilahang kuan, but Follow-up question is, ano nga ba, Jo? Di naman matakdag COVID.
It depends on the
Naanad na sila
situation.
mo.
Diba? There's a lot of question nga remain unknown. Only them is that if there is a further study regarding sa ilahang kwan. Because something gihapon, we fall into diversity. So it means the our brother and sisters na Banchaw is they're trying to cope up with the kuan yung sa trending ngayon. Hindi na lang sila yung basta-basta, but they able to compete. Yung iba nakapag-join ng PBB, Pinoy Big Brother. Yung iba is yung nanalo sila sa mga competition. So because of diversity, everyone adopt it. Everyone, everyone is nakakasabay po kung ano yung mga trends po. Next one, diverse means change of the society. Means change of the society. So, meron na tayong Korean, meron na tayong mga K-pop, mga Americans, American Idol. Sa Japanese, I'm not familiar with the Japanese kung meron yung mga artista nila. We had the Thailand, Espanyol. So, a lot of yung mga, the way we became picky with the clothes, the way we wear, the way we eat, the way we spoke, the way we speak. So, especially yung, if have you ever noticed yung, or have you ever heard, not noticed, they made memes na nakapunta lang ng Manila, hindi na marunong mag-Bisaya. Tama? So, parang change of the society, parang inadapt nila. But in true is, nakasanayan na nila kung ano yung sa Manila na nakagis na nila. Next is diverse. We ultimately lose our heart to these things. That means we ultimately lose our heart. We are living not with our hearts anymore, but we are living with another culture. So, parang inadapt na natin. So, that is why when you don't know what is in your heart to this thing, so, somehow, in some era, do I need these things? Kailangan ba na ako? Kailangan ba na ako makisabay? But due to trend, sa diversity lang gihapon, we tend to fall on that. But it is nothing bad if you can afford. But always think the other side. So ano ba yung other side? Another one is when we feel something is okay but hold it in our heart. So it is okay buying this. How about the desires of our heart? Meron pa. So and when we feel that isn't good but we refuse to accept it. So in our heart, also let's try to take ano ba yung hindi maganda but we refuse to accept it. Isn't not good. Ano yung example? When we feel that isn't good but we refuse to accept it. Hindi siya maganda. Ano? Who can give?
What do you mean, ma'am? Kanang
When we feel that isn't good but we refuse to accept it.
refuse?
We refuse. So it means you decline. Tama? Ano yung magandang example?
Mga kuan ma'am, policy sa government nga na.
Okay. The policy of the government is somehow good but we refuse to accept it. So, trends, okay, ito na lang example. So, yung trending ngayon about sa tattoo, tama? Meron trending tattoo about sa module. Have you saw it?
No, ma'am.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
So, kung meron yung nakakita, so ang iba, yes, when they saw tattoo, parang di maganda tignan, tama? Kasi sa mga sinaunang panahon, or yung mga kuha natin, siguro mga ninuno, or yung mga hindi pa talaga yung open about sa tattoo. Yung sa tattoo sa atin, in our own parang nagiging, so, sa tuwa sa una makakita tag tattoo is, we fall to conclude something, mga, mga bad boys, mga bad, or addict, di ba?
Pugaw tanawon.
Yeah, sugat and awon. But we refuse to accept it because dili po siya nindot siya in our own way because there are different person nga mo accept ang tattoo is an art. But there are a lot of people na tattoo is not good in our kuan kasi dili sila ganahan mo tan-aw. But in some era, there is some, the sentence would be, we feel that it is good but we refuse to accept it. One of the example yung sa sinabi nyo, the policy of the government. Example yung FM pass. It is good in our side but we refuse to accept it. Why? Siguro daghang magutom, acknowledge ng daghan magutom. But when we refuse to accept it because di na takatog milk tea, di na pakapalit sa tuang branded shoes, branded clothes, so mo na siya ang mali. So what is good, pero hindi na natin siya tinaka. Oftentimes, we don't square away what we fit into our hearts. So what does it mean? We don't square away what we fit into our hearts. So, kung ano yung dapat sa ating heart, but we decline. Kung ano yung good in our hearts, but we tend to decline because we want our own. Yung own natin, but not the heart itself. Meron tayong, parang kumbaga, desires and wants natin. So, therefore, it all remains tangled in our hearts. So, result, people try to force their way out of the problems that hard to handle in life. So diversity, they want to make their own. So try to with what are the trends. So people try to force their way out of problems that are hard to handle in life. So parang hindi na natin kilala sa atin sa heart just because of lagi lang tayong nakasunod sa uso. So kung ano yung uso, yun na yun. But when the times, so ito na yung question ha. So yung sa mga trends, bili tayo ng bili. Like example, shoes. Yung shoes natin sa babae is 12 na. 12 pairs na. Pwede pa siyang gamitin. Hindi pa sira. Bago pa tingnan. But we tend to buy. So, in the future, example sa this pandemic, di ba daghang Pilipino is wala nakaandam? When it comes to financially. Tama? Even me,
Yes,
wala
ma'am.
akong nakaandam. But at least ako'y savings gamay. So, moto siya ko nagamit for the pandemic. But most of our Filipino is, ginahuna-una lang ang karon. They not they not think about the other, kung unsa man ang umabot na panahon. So, when it comes to business, so, hindi yung kung paano nila pinaparan yung business nila. Yung mga business-minded individual or people, kay mga BSB man mo, or na may education, that itong mga business-minded individual, nakakuha na sila, na sila yung savings, na sila yung for travel, na sila yung for emergency. So, yung business-minded individual lang, yung giplan na nila tong possible nga mahitabo. So, niabot ang pandemic, so they have a extra packet. So, try to subscribe or just try to scroll, especially sa inyo kay BA man mo, about kay Chinky. Have you ever saw Chinky Tan sa iyong mga page?
Wala,
Kita na ba
ma'am.
mo?
I'm not
Wala.
fan with that.
Familiar.
You're not fun, you're not familiar, but I encourage you to like sa iyang mga kuan because you're a BSD students, daghan mo
Actually, ma'am, I read some books about business and I
financial.
also watch. Yes, ma'am.
Mm. So, I just encourage you regarding sana because you are BSD, you should know how to manage your money, especially kay uban sa your first year or second year pala mo. So that along the way, mag-guide mo unsaon pagkuan. So, you will become or it will help in your chosen profession. So, people try to force their way out of problems. So, mo na to siya, bili lang ng bili, but they don't think kung ano yung magiging, what
Possible
is
result.
their, yes, opportunity in the future. So, you as a student, kung na may kwarta, try to save lang mo ng save. Ayun lang, it is good na to reward yourself because you have extra. But yung magiging somehow yung cut-cut na like we are nagiging feeling kwartahan na ta, feeling mayaman, di ba? So, it is not good. So, just spend rewarding from yourself, but not too much. Always think for the other side that you need to save para naman sa future. Okay? The next is, they also don't know the exact path to be liberated from this thing. So, those people na spend lang ng spend, they don't know yung
Saan sila patutungo?
how are they going to, kasaban ang exit, ani? How are they going to exit? Some people is maka-exit lang sila if bankrupt na, wala na yung kwarta, kanang mahuwi siya utang-utang, kanang wala na yung money to buy things. But, to get rid of this is to become magiging kontento ka or contentment in your life. Kung ang shoes is kaya pa nimo, then go. Kamita lang na siya. Me, I don't care if nan ko nila ka na, they call this napaka kuripot. Yes, kuripot kito na nga tao. Pinakamahal ako nga sa nila siguro akong uniform. Other than that, narin siya sa ukay-ukay. So, better to think sa future than maging happy ta but pulubi ta later. Okay, so to become liberated or maging free ta is to be contented with what you have right now. If ever meron naman kayo, meron kayong extra or apo ninyong grasya, then kana na siya nga mo spend na mo sa inyong mga wants or gusto or rewarding yourself. Not to the point nga magiging pulubi na kayo later. Especially you are an DS-based students. So, reasons, no deep thinking. So, ito na yon. Kailangan ba na kumupait og shoes? So, kay Pastera, good siya. Kay mupay siya shoes para na siya extra insta para dili po mapulipuhan kay lain mo po yung mindset sa uban ko, di ba? Have you ever noticed balik-balik naman na sa nina, uy? Na po yung
Yes,
mga
ma'am.
mga mindset, di ba? Mga
Yes,
toxic,
ma'am.
toxic po kita mga Pilipino. So, ikaw po sa sarili mo, palit po para di na po kumainag yung ana. So, para,
Grabe maka-judge, ma'am.
yes, nagiging mindset na po sa atuang kailangan po na to i-prove ang atuang sarili. Siguro, let them in the future, halawi sa una, sige mo kung kuwan na sa iya ha, but karon lahi na kayo siya, kanang tao na siya. Sa una, dili pa ka na siya. Kuan. So, parang ala ang mga mindset sa tao sa una. So, okay lang, maging pulubi ko karon at least pagabot sa panahon dato ko, something ana. So, we tend to become contented kung ano yung meron sa atin. Kung dili pa kaya, then dili ito siya pugson nga mo stay. Char, hawa lang sa dara. I need myself. I need to save myself. So something save yourself in the near future because in the near future you only have yourself, and especially our Holy Creator. Yan lang yung nandyan comes our needs talaga. Walang ibang tutulong sa iyo kundi ang iyong sarili. Meron man tayong family but not to the point is parang you're satisfied because ourselves or kita is dili ta ma-satisfy. At least imong sarili is nakasave ka. Dili ka mala sa puhon, hinanglan ko but when I need help, no one is there. If you can, then save for the better future. So, no deep thinking, no one plan for negative things. So, eto na yon. So, eto na, nandito na si pandemic, nandito na si COVID, charan, bulagaan na. But no one welcome. Hello, COVID, ana. Siguro, ang COVID is
Na-shock.
yes, na Shakira ang all. Parang walay ni parang 2 weeks lang man to mong quarantine. Daghan kay na happy kay walay klase. Ang ending walay graduation, walay sakag stage, di ba? Ang uban kay wala na yung summer. So no one plan for negative things. Tanan kita positive. Hala, uy, so kana ang ana. So siguro katong no graduation, makuan pa nato siya. Pero kanang mo yung walay kwarta due to pandemic. Kana na jud siya because we became naging gastador ta sa mga butang nga are unnecessary things nga dili unta pwede but wala na spend na nato. So therefore, we must better think our today's para sa ato ang future. Next is problems are in front of us and they're real, but we don't include them in our plans. However, problems that we do not want wait for us every milestone in our lives. So, eto yon. So, problems is always yun siya tao because ay always siya tao, sorry. Always yun siya
Ah,
naa. Always siya naa sa tao. Tama?
yes, ma'am.
Pwede ba lang ba? Unsa naman hindi naman ko mawalang problema sa akong sarili oy. Ana,
Everyday na lang.
o everyday na lang. So, ang problem is always yun na siya. It is up to us how are we going to handle with that kind of problem. Especially karon, wala siya magbalik ito sa pandemic. Kahit tuod ang mga tao wala diri kwarta. So, yes, ang BSB student, in the near future, for those nga trabaho na or for those nga tag isa kalibo ang baon,
Char.
plan your future na ahead of time. Kani siya savings kun kaning 500 savings ko ni para sa emergency, 100 para sa kuan skala, kaning 100 pang date ko ni, o di ba? So, better plan. Tagay lang nag 50 sa imong pandara. So, let's plan our future ahead of time. So, where is the power to overcome this thing? So, mano to siyang giingon, is simplify your life for your heart. Means contentment lang. Be contented kung ano yung meron. So, reward yourself if you have extra or reward yourself if it's necessary or nag-apaw-apaw na imuhang crush siya. Okay, any questions?
And so far.
None so far? Okay, so wala na may questions?